Hello, so my name is Clive Morgan and I currently live in Cape May County and I'm from Jamaica. And one of the most amazing things is that when I migrated to the United States, I never had any idea of coming to a community college because first and foremost, I already did my bachelor's back home. And then as I navigate my way through the United States and living in Cape May, I found that I could, go back to school and start my career again, which I wasn't scared to do. And I heard about Atlantic Cape Community College. And a friend of mine went here and, she introduced me to a couple of professors and, I came up to campus with her a couple times. And just by approaching this campus, I felt the sense of belonging. And so I signed up and I started my journey here at Atlantic Cape. And one of the things I must say is that I never regret making this decision because this has completely transformed my life into what I am today. There were, times when I felt like, I would not make it, but through the help of professors and my fellow classmates, that gave me a sense to thrive and to continue my resilience. And so because of that, I am now on my third associate's degree here at Atlantic Cape Community College, which is a dream of mine to keep pursuing my levels in education. And so I find it that, this place has given me so much. And if you're a student out there thinking to join or to come to Atlantic Cape Community College, I think you should take that step because this place is where, the journey to a great future begins.